Hi, I'm Mike. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of carpet underpad. Carpet underpad is important for a number of reasons: feel, warmth, protection, sound, even warranties. Underpad gives your carpet a longer lifespan by absorbing the impact from foot traffic, whether it's from people, pets, or moving heavy furniture around. When it comes to spills, using an underpad that comes with a protective spill barrier is a good idea. Stops any fluid spills or pet accidents from seeping into the subfloor. It's not just carpet that creates a comfortable soft step. Underpad's an average 10 millimeters thick, and it'll give your foot a soft cushion feel so that your feet feel right at home. It's also a great insulator by absorbing sound and keeping your feet warm. It's important to remember that when buying new carpet pad for your home, suppliers won't usually warranty your carpet without new underpad. There are different materials and thicknesses of underpad. Please come in, consult with one of our sales team, and we can help you make the right choice for your home.